My son Liam lives in China, and every year or so he comes over to visit us. But it's a long, long way, and so I've been saving up to visit him instead. Except I didn't fancy Beijing in February, so we met in Sri Lanka instead, vaguely halfway for both of us. Sri Lanka means glorious island, apparently, and so it is. Now, it would have been too expensive for Sandra to come to because of minding all the animals at home, so it was just the two of us, which was good too. Now, I'm sure you don't want to see lots of family holiday snaps, but I thought you might just like to see a few trains. This is 5-foot 6-inch gauge railway with diesel electric rolling stock. We were waiting to catch a train south, a few stations, because that's how we travelled everywhere, when the train driver, who's called the captain in Sri Lanka, invited us aboard the locomotive, and of course we had to say yes, didn't we? He had to bring the engine around to the other end before we could set off, and his engineer guard coupled up. We weren't the only ones invited up front, but a few declined because there wasn't much room and there were no seats. Is there enough room? Yeah, come. Come.
Thank you.
I looked it up, and apparently this particular locomotive is 47 years old and still going strong. Going strong, but not going very fast, which suited me just fine. And of course we had the best possible place to see where we were going. Apparently this looks a bit like parts of India, but I haven't been to India, so I wouldn't know. The railway cuts through the jungle along by the sea, But the jungle's never very far away, and people live all along the line in houses and shacks and lean-tos and things. What do you think? 30 miles an hour? A little faster? Perfect speed anyway. None of your high speed nonsense here. Perhaps we were riding on there half an hour, and we were very appreciative of the driver, and he was proud of his train and of his country, and well he might be. We gave them both a little something for their trouble. Of course, we were completely spoiled by that train ride, because after that it was back to normal travelling conditions. I tried to film Liam sitting on the moving crack between the carriages, but it wasn't easy even to see him. It's been 10 years since the last time I left Ireland, and this was a wonderful, if slightly mind-blowing trip. We met lots of nice people and saw all sorts of wonderful things. Coconut palms and banana palms and mangrove swamps and fruit bats and macaques and mongooses and porcupines and pelicans and parrots and big lizards and small lizards. And when I got home, just before the airport was closed in Qatar, by the way, was very lucky, I realised that we in Ireland have done more damage to our glorious little island in the 8,000 years that we've been here than the Sri Lankans have done to theirs in 145,000 years. I don't know. It's mad altogether, Ted, for sure. Thanks, Liam. What an adventure.